Everyday maintenance applications of artificial intelligence. AI is starting to take on a bigger role in just about every industry, often behind the scenes. Here are a few everyday applications of AI in maintenance. AI applications for everyday maintenance. Manufacturing industry. Predictive maintenance. Quality control. As illustrated in recent years, a breakdown in the supply chain can have a negative ripple effect throughout the economy. Healthcare industry. Medical equipment maintenance. AI sensors monitor medical devices, alerting staff in real time to reduce downtime and enhance patient safety. Hospital facility management. Within the agricultural industry, AI is helping to increase yield, reduce waste, and optimize operations through both precision farming and livestock monitoring. Consumer products industry. AI optimizes supply chains, predicting demand, improving inventory, and enhancing consumer product delivery logistics. Conclusion. Want to keep reading? As AI and GPT infiltrate the digital world, it's time to give the built world the respect it deserves.